This is the Autolift cassette hoist, compact cassette hoist, the SP1100, used mostly by mobility homes. It conveniently stores under the vehicle, leaving you space inside. Today's little video will show you how to use it and what can happen and how to do it, how to get yourself out of any little problems you might get into. Remote control, 4-button remote control, very easy to use. Press the out button. Oh, he says press the out button. Hoist comes out automatically. She's very slow. Stops on command. Then we press the raise button, bring her up to floor level. She stops automatically. Here we unfold. She's now in the working position. If you want to unload, obviously you bring the wheelchair onto the platform and then press the lower button, and down she goes. As she goes down, the bridge plate lifts up, locking you on the platform. When she hits the floor, the roll stop deploys and you can roll off. To put her away, she goes away from the up position, so we have to raise her to the up level. This helps because it also means you haven't got to bend down to put things away. It comes up to you to work. So nice simple sequence. 1, 2, 3. Folds away, and then we fold the second half of the flap away. Mind your fingers, of course. She folds away and she folds flat. Make sure nothing's sticking out and that she's all down flat. And then on the remote control, we press the away button. She automatically goes down to level and then away. It's running a bit slow because the battery's not turned on from the vehicle. And then the weather seal shuts up behind her. And that's her put away.